There.
Are you recording?
Hey guys, I have a cicada in my hand right now.
This is a cicada in its natural habitat.
My hands. I have two people over for the night.
It's me.
It's
me, Mikey McGee.
It's me too.
Okay, but check out Lily Whitmer and
You mean
Emma
Cat
McClain.
Whitmer?
Yep, Cat Whitmer and Emma McClain. They're both YouTubers just like us.
And my videos are cringy. To me, at least.
Oh my gosh, she's reaching for the net.
I'll take it.
Oh, it's going on my phone. Okay, no.
It's too slippery.
Okay, he wants my phone. Okay, can you go on my arm now?
Breaking the shell.
Okay, now
Your
it's on my
face is
arm.
revealed. He's hiding. Oh, plus mosquitoes. Oh my god, they're everywhere.
Are you alive? Okay, there you go. He wants my phone.
Put him on the phone. Let's see what happens.
I love phones.
Is the camera focus?
He's trying to climb on the phone. He's putting his hands on the phone.
Okay, that's good. You're never gonna get on there.
I made it like so he's on the camera, so it looks funny. This is warm. Yeah, we should put him in something and then take care of him, make it like a natural habitat. I have no clue what he eats, but we should put a shell in there.
Search up what he is.
Okay. This video is only 1 minute.
Well, this includes the video. Wait.
He wants to say goodbye.
Bye.
This is our new member of Marquis's. Say goodbye, Cicada. Okay, bye.
Goodbye.